All right, let's get right into this. Today, we're going to tear down a really fascinating marketing proposal. We're going to deconstruct piece by piece how a crypto finance company called Pintopay pitches itself to content creators, not just as an advertiser, but as a real long-term partner. So it all starts with a very simple question, but one that's incredibly frustrating for millions of people. You've got this digital wealth, but how do you actually use it to buy your morning coffee or pay for Netflix? This right here is the core problem that Pintopay's entire pitch is designed to solve. Now this slide, which is pulled straight from their pitch deck, is where things get really interesting. Just look at the scale of this problem. Look at that growth curve. From about 100 million users in 2020, they're forecasting over 5 billion by 2030. This isn't just a niche issue anymore. It's a massive global shift, and every single one of those people is going to face the same exact problem. And this brings us to what they call the crypto paradox. You could have thousands, even millions of dollars in a digital wallet, but you're basically locked out of the real-world economy. It's like having a vault full of gold that you can't use to buy a loaf of bread. That gap, that friction, is exactly the opportunity they're going after.
Okay, so after laying out this absolutely massive problem, the pitch makes a hard pivot to the solution. Let's dig into how Pintopay positions itself as the one and only answer.
They call themselves the first crypto financial ecosystem with seamless integration into Telegram. Now that language is super deliberate. Ecosystem makes it sound like it's way more than just a tool, right? And mentioning Telegram, that's them targeting a huge crypto-savvy audience right where they live online. Their mission statement really hits all the right notes for the crypto crowd. It's all about freedom. It's about decentralization. The keywords are impossible to miss. Anywhere, without restrictions, and without intermediaries. They're basically promising to cut out the old-school middlemen that make finance so complicated.
So here's the kicker. Despite all that complex talk of an ecosystem, the product itself is presented as incredibly simple. It's a card, that's it. A physical or virtual bridge that connects your crypto wallet to the real world. You top it up, you swipe, you pay. It makes the abstract concept of crypto feel tangible and useful, like right now.
Okay, this is where the proposal gets really, really good. It's not just about what the product is, it's about how they plan to sell it. Let's see how this all builds into a pitch that's tailor-made for influencers.
And this quote just nails their entire approach. They're not offering a one-and-done payment for a sponsored post. They reframe the whole thing. The influencer isn't just a billboard anymore. They're a business partner, a stakeholder. It's a way more compelling and, honestly, a much more flattering offer. And to make this partnership feel real, they break it down into different tiers. So it doesn't matter if you have 5,000 followers or over 200,000, there's a specific plan for you. And notice how the benefits scale up. It starts with simple revenue share and some content templates, but then for the bigger players, you get a personal manager and even a white-labeled card with your own logo on it.
Now, a great vision is one thing, but creators need to know the bottom line. So let's drill down into the financial model that makes this whole thing so attractive. This is the real engine of the pitch. The first way to earn is super straightforward. You get a 30% commission from the fee for every single card your followers sign up for. It's a direct, upfront payment for every person you bring in. Simple. But this second stream, this is the long game. It's a 0.3% revenue share on all the transactions and top-ups that happen in your network. This isn't a one-time thing. It's a recurring, passive income stream that just keeps growing as your audience uses the card more and more. And then there's the multiplier. This is where it gets a little wild. The network effect is built to go 9 levels deep. What does that mean? It means you don't just earn from your followers, you earn from the people they refer and the people they refer, all the way down. It's designed to turn a straight line into an exponential curve.
So what does this actually look like in real money? Well, the pitch gives a pretty juicy example for a creator with a 500,000 person audience. They project a potential $45,000 upfront bonus, followed by a monthly revenue share of over 22 grand. But then, with that 9-level network effect, they suggest that income could multiply to somewhere between $50,000 and $100,000 a month. I mean, those are life-changing numbers designed to be impossible for a creator to ignore.
Showing someone huge numbers is one thing, but a really great pitch also needs a clear plan of action. So the proposal then shifts gears from the why to the how and lays out a clear step-by-step launch strategy.
What's so smart about this 5-stage plan is that it shows they've thought through the entire process. It's not just, here's a link, go sell. It's a full-on collaborative process, aligning on goals, giving you the tools, strategically warming up the audience before the launch, analyzing the data, and then scaling up. It shows a huge level of support.
And as the pitch starts to wrap up, it comes full circle, right back to where it started. It reminds the influencer that this isn't just about making money. It's about solving a real, tangible problem for specific people. Travelers, immigrants, digital nomads, anyone who's been kind of left behind by the traditional banking system.
This final quote just perfectly summarizes the role they're inviting the creator to play. You're not just a salesperson, you're a problem solver. They're positioning you as a trusted guide who is leading your community into a totally new financial future. It's a really empowering narrative.
So, all of this raises a huge question for the entire creator economy, doesn't it? Is the one-off sponsorship deal basically dead? And is the future of influence moving beyond just simple ads and into true partnership, where you actually share in the long-term success of the products you genuinely believe in? It's a powerful idea to think about.